What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. Some people, right about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about an incident that occurred in Clarendon, Jamaica, my people. You understand? In our place, them call him Riches. And this incident, my people, occurred yesterday, June 29, my people, 2022, my people. And right now, people, me I tell you, say, a young man, you understand, who a lot of people know as Nick, who is 28 years old, my people, was cut down. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, this one, people, a lot of people even call Selfie boss, guys, a virgin who love take selfie picture. Yeah, man, post them upon him, FB and them thing, them people love him selfie. You know what I mean? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. R.I.P. Selfie boss, R.I.P. Nick. So them say, people, yesterday in the morning, sometime after 7, you understand? Nick them yard, my people, basically in bed, I want to look relaxing, that and thing, my people. When them receive a phone call, so Nick receive a phone call, don't know what type of call him receive, people. If it's some lamp pile, if it's a call about money, if it's a call about something, but something, my people. So them say after receiving the call, people, Nick jump up, run going about this, so jaw for a pan, wash off him face, people. No brush teeth, you know, just wash off him face, guys. Yo, like it's an urgent call. One of them call where must step to something, where I go get something, my people. You see me? Jaja see, Jaja knows. So them say when Nick comes about my people, and shortly after, not even 30 minutes, not even 15 minutes, my people, cut it down, wind it down. People in the younger ear, bruh. I can't that beat up my people. When residents hear the car, them comes about and start circle around, you understand, for see in the direction where the shot them come from, my people, and when them go around them, my people, them find Nick in a roadway around them, my people, curl up. You understand, the man, them wet up, Nick and gone. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So the thing about this, my people, and the sad thing about it is that he receive a phone call, my people. You understand? A phone call him receiving. So they use a phone call for Nick straight into his death, my viewers and subscribers. And I've seen where a lot of people been who know him and say, yo, he was a humble youth, him a good youth, quiet youth, who don't make trouble, who don't make problem, my people. But seem like for somebody else, them have something different to say because, yo, why would somebody really have the guts, have the heart to take out an innocent man life? You know what I mean? A man who no do nothing, a man who put himself in a problem, a man who always quiet and them thing there. Why would somebody have a heart like that, my viewers and subscribers? That's what I've been thinking. That's what in my head right now. But me as a people, for me, a man may be good and a man may be great. You understand? A man may be not make no trouble, not put himself in a problem. But for your next man, yo, him have something different for some viewers and subscribers. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But all me can do, my viewers, and say right now is just send out my deepest condolences to the family of Nick. You understand? And if he was killed innocently, my people, or even we don't know we because still give no one no right to take nobody 3 points. Because you can't make man, you can't blow bet in a man. So why would you want to come jump and take people 3 points like that? Well, all I can say, my viewers and subscribers, yo, I hope justice be served. You understand? And the police, them do conduct a great investigation into this. Yeah, man, and make the family get justice in the right and proper way. You know what I mean? But if Nick do put himself in a situation, my people, well, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, still want justice. That's true, my people, because I still give them the right to take him 3 points. But all me can say, my people, Clarendon turned upside down. And since this year, 2022, my people, yo, over 30 and almost 40 people been taken out in Clarendon, Jamaica, my people. No joke about it. So, yo, it's a serious thing, my people. Very, very serious thing. And all we have to do now is keep the people in our prayers, the people. Because, yo, Jamaica right now, people, it grimy. So, R.I.P. Nick, R.I.P. Selfie boss. You understand? And still R.I.P. You know, to everyone who are losing their life by the hands of these criminals right across Jamaica, right across the world. You understand? Especially in our Caribbean shores. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and subscribers, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace, my people. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. Remember, subscribe.